Hello guys, we are going to see about how to design a traffic light using Raspberry Pi. We are going to design traffic light in one direction. So we are going to have three lights in different colors in one direction, green, red and orange. First I am interfacing LEDs with Raspberry Pi. We are going to have three LEDs, red, orange and green. I am interfacing LEDs one by one. I have connected three LEDs. I am connecting three current limiting resistors from cathode terminal of LED to ground point. Common ground is connected at fifth point in first row, that is ground point of Raspberry Pi. These LEDs are being interfaced at BCM 2, 3 and 4. Connections are over. Three LEDs are connected. Cathode pins of LEDs have been connected to common ground using resistors. Anode pins of LEDs have been connected to BCM 2, 3 and 4 of Raspberry Pi. Our connections are over. Thank you. Let us write a code for traffic lights. First, import traffic lights model from GPIO library. In traffic lights, T and L are capital letters. I am importing sleep model from time library. Create an object called lights. I am going to interface LEDs at 2, 3, 4 pins of 2, 3, 4. Make a continuous loop. We have three states in traffic lights program. In first state, red LED will be on, other two LEDs, green and amber LEDs, will be in off condition. In second state, green LED will be in on condition, other two LEDs, amber and red LEDs will be in off condition. In that state, amber LED will be in on condition. Other two LEDs, green and red LEDs, will be in off condition. Let's write a code for making these LEDs working. In second state, green LED will be in on condition, so make it on. Red should be in off condition. In that state, amber LED will be in on condition. Red LED will be in off condition. In this GPIO0 library, orange light has been mentioned as amber. You should use amber in your program. You can use any color LED in your hardware, but you have to use three colors: green, amber and red in your program. You can use other color LEDs in your hardware. Let's run. Our traffic light is working perfectly. Single light at a time. Orange, red and green.